Are you stuck on the red battery icon or low battery screen on your iPhone? This issue can be caused by several reasons, such as software glitches, faulty charging equipment, or battery-related problems. Don't worry, this guide will walk you through the steps to fix your iPhone stuck on the low battery screen and get it working again. Solution 1. Force restart your iPhone while charging. Put your iPhone on charge. After that, press the volume up and down button. Quickly after that, press and hold the power button. Hold for 30 seconds. If this doesn't work, press and hold only your power button for 30 seconds. Solution 2. Charge your iPhone using a different charger and cable. Sometimes the issue may be with charging cables, adapter, or power source. Use an Apple-certified charger and cable to ensure proper charging. Try using a different power outlet to rule out the possibility of a faulty outlet. If possible, try charging your iPhone with a different charger to see if it resolves the issue. Solution 3. Let your iPhone charge for a... If your iPhone has a severely depleted battery, it might not respond immediately when plugged in. Plug your iPhone into a charger and let it charge for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, try to power it on by pressing and holding the side button or power button on older models. If the red battery icon disappears after charging, it means your iPhone just needs a longer charging time. After following everything on your iPhone, if you still have issues, then we highly recommend you to visit Apple support for hardware issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of your iPhone being stuck on the low battery screen or the red battery icon. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have further questions.